Good morning. English 1150. This is the beginning of week 2. So the first thing I want to do is congratulate all of you on completing week 1. If you have not yet done that, obviously 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time is the due date rather, for all of the classwork for each week. Discussions, modules, assignments, tests, etc. Don't forget the extra credits, by the way. If you have any issues with being able to download or submit things, you want to check with tech support, because they are the ones that take care of that sort of thing as far as downloads, whatever. There seem to be issues in week 1 rather than any of the other weeks. So check out anything you need, technically speaking, with tech support. This week, in week 2, what you are doing now is you're going back and looking at the ideas that you were thinking about or discussed or included as part of your week 1 assignment. But eventually you had to settle on one topic that you want to use for your Facebook article, which eventually will become 5 paragraphs. That'll be an assignment for next week. This week, the concentration on the worksheet is on outlines, otherwise known as a graphic organizer. There's a big box there. There are points for the thesis statement. There are points for the boxes that include main ideas and supporting facts, and then the last one for sources. So there are a total of 8 different boxes that you want to fill out. You need to fill each of those out. I have an announcement on the class homepage explaining how to do that. Also in student materials, I have a file attachment that gives you an example of a graphic organizer. Discussion this week, you're doing a cover letter, rough draft cover letter. I'll have more detailed information on that either tomorrow or the next day. But those are the assignments and worksheets and discussions and everything you need to know for week 2. Please go back and make sure that you have everything for week 1. Thanks. Bye.